Hey you guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have partnered with Burt's Bees to share my relaxing self-care routine. This is what I have been doing recently to just help my mind relax, to help my body relax, just to get myself back in a positive and peaceful place. And this has really been getting me through like a very stressful time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, to kick off my relaxing self-care routine, I first tidy up. That is a must because I truly cannot relax if like my space is not at least somewhat together, somewhat organized. So I'm pretty much putting up all of my workstation. I was working downstairs that day, so I'm putting up my laptop, my cords, just trying to straighten things up, put things where it's supposed to be so that way I can really relax, not think about all the clutter that's going on in my kitchen. Next, I'm going to make a relaxing warm cup of water and pour my calm powder into it just to also help my muscles relax. And then to really set the mood, I turn on some dim lighting, my fireplace, and also lit a candle, which smells amazing. So I'm already getting those cozy vibes going, which also for me helps a lot with self-care. Lately, I have been incorporating breathing exercises into my self-care routine, and it really has made a difference. So what I'll typically do is I will just breathe in really deep and breathe out very slow, and I just do this about 10 times. And there's something about these breathing exercises that really helps me to just find peace and also calms me after a very busy and long day of work. So I have been loving them. I've started doing them practically every night, and my body, my mind just sees such a difference. So if you are struggling with just finding that peace, take some time throughout the day to do some breathing exercises, and I promise it'll make a difference. Once I finished my breathing exercises, I move upstairs to begin my skincare routine using my favorite Burt's Bees products. So I start off by using the Sensitive Facial Cleanser, which is amazing. I love the smell of it, and I love that it has cotton extract to soften the skin and also aloe to soothe the skin. So again, it's very refreshing and it removes dirt, oil, and makeup, and it does not cause any irritation at all. And if you guys don't know, Burt's Bees products are really good for the skin. Their ingredients are from nature and they're formulated without parabens and any other chemicals of concern. So I love how you don't have to worry about any harsh ingredients at all. There's also no animal testing, and they use sustainable and recyclable packaging. By the way, you guys will see me giving myself like little massages, especially around my temple area, because that also does help me to relax and calm down. So I have been really incorporating massages and just soothing and gently massaging each skincare product into my skin. So once my skin is nice and cleansed, I like to move on to applying a clay mask. And so I love to use the Burt's Bees Detox Clay Mask. And this mask helps to lift away any impurities with the charcoal while nourishing skin with antioxidants. Again, it's formulated to remove dirt, oil, and toxins that can clog the pores and cause skin to look dull. And I swear, y'all, every time I use this detox clay mask, my skin always looks illuminated. And that's due to these superfruit ingredients. So no matter what, every time I use this, my skin looks much more balanced and healthy looking, which I love and need regularly. So as you guys can see, I applied an even layer of the detox mask all over my face, and I let that sit on my face to dry for about 10 minutes. So while I let the Burt's Bees Detox Clay Mask dry, I like to take some time to read a devotional as well as journal. This also helps a lot in self-care because it allows me to reflect, to just build my confidence a little bit more, and just to really kind of write down and jot down my thoughts. So I have been doing this a lot throughout the week. The devotional that I have been reading is the Confident Woman devotional, and I genuinely love it. It's so good. And then after I read that day's devotional, I will start to kind of jot down my thoughts of what I'm feeling, how I'm thinking, what's going on, just to kind of let it all out, because once I let it all out, I feel so much better and like a weight has been lifted off of me. So after I have finished my journaling and washed off my detox clay mask, I move on to my conditioning lip scrub, also by Burt's Bees. And this lip scrub is essential, especially during the colder months like we are experiencing right now. This lip scrub has honey crystals to buff away any rough skin, dry skin, while the beeswax conditions and hydrates my lips. And it's also 100% natural. So they're all natural ingredients. It's nutrient rich, and it truly does condition my lips. Last but not least, I love to apply the Burt's Bees Nourishment Facial Oil. This stuff is so bomb, you guys. I highly recommend this product along with all the other products. It's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's infused with fatty acids and nutrients from rosehip, jojoba oil, and evening primrose to leave your skin feeling hydrated, smooth, and supple. And I definitely feel that as soon as I apply this facial oil. I personally have combination skin and I love it, but if you have normal to dry skin, you will especially love this product. So if you guys want to get your hands on the facial oil as well as all the other products that I've mentioned in today's video, go ahead and click the link down below. I will be sure to leave a link to all of the Burt's Bees products. Shop Burt's Bees. I have been using their products for such a long time and I really do see a difference in my skin because of them. So again, check out the link down below to get your hands on all of the Burt's Bees skincare products. Once we have finished our skincare routine, it's time to move on to a nice warm bubble bath. You guys know how much I love these. I talk about them all the time, and yes, they really do help. So, of course, I'm running some warm water. I added some bubble bath, and I also love to light a candle. My favorite is marshmallow fireside. So, I have like a stock of marshmallow fireside candles that I use specifically for my bubble baths, and y'all, it's just everything. I also love to play jazz music. That's something that I've recently gotten into, and I just love like the soulful jazz music playing in the background. And of course, once my warm bubble bath is over, I love to change in some cute cozy clothes. I feel like whenever you look good, you feel good, and I love cute cozy sweaters. So that's exactly what I put on. And now to cap off my self-care routine, I love to just kick back, watch a good movie, cozy up in a blanket, and pop some popcorn. So you guys will see me popping some popcorn. I also decided at the last minute to pour a glass of wine because, I mean, come on, y'all know me. that particular night, I chose to watch a movie called The Intruder, and it was actually pretty good. So I just like to just watch whatever I'm in the mood for, whether it be a thriller, comedy, rom-com, just anything. I'm always open. But yeah, you guys, once I have my popcorn, my wine, and a good movie playing, I am good to go. So that wraps up my self-care routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Just a good DIY kind of like pampering routine. I love it. It definitely gets me more relaxed, keeps me calm, and just a great way to unwind after a long days of work. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.